Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz. I have a misfire in one of my cylinders and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can troubleshoot it and possibly fix the issue. So I've erased this code several times and it comes right back up because it's a current code. It's for cylinder 5, it's misfiring right now, and as you guys are seeing right here, it's starting to flash again, which means it needs to be checked urgently. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how you can fix this. So underneath the hood, I've already removed the top covers, and it's cylinder 5 that's misfiring. Cylinder 5 is this one right here, driver's side, the front one. We're going to remove the coil first and the wiring to it. So we're using a T30 socket. That's the screw, and there's the same one right down here that we're removing as well. Now that both screws are off, I could pull the coil up, and here's the coil, and I'm going to remove the electrical connection behind it. To remove the electrical connection, we're going to insert a straight screwdriver into here, pull out the lock, and push down and pull right out. And now I'm going to troubleshoot if this coil is messed up, and to do that, I'm going to go to the next cylinder and grab the coil pack from there and swap them. So we're going to swap both of them. So this is going to go into here. And this is cylinder 5's coil, which might be faulty. We're going to stick it into cylinder 5. So I have the misfire right here, misfiring of cylinder 5, damages TWC. So right now what I'm going to do is clear the fault memory. Now that's clear, it's going to show no DTCs, and I'm going to start up the car. So right now I have no check engine light, but I'm going to drive the car around and see if the check engine light comes back. So I've just put the car into drive and the check engine light has already started flashing. So I'm going to park back and see what the code's on for this time. So I've just parked and I'm scanning for the code, and now I have a misfire in cylinder 6. So we had just swapped the cylinder 5 coil, which was the bad coil, onto cylinder 6, and now cylinder 6 is misfiring. So now the problem ends up being that the coil needs to be replaced. The wiring is fine, the spark plug is fine, it's the coil that has gone bad. So what I'm going to do now is get a new coil and replace it. So here is our bad coil, which we moved from here to cylinder 6. So now that we know that this coil has gone bad, I'm going to remove it. And here's my replacement part that I got. I'm going to be replacing it. Now I have my replacement coil installed. We're going to go back inside the car, clear the code, and turn it back on and see if this problem has resolved. I've erased the check engine code and driven the car for about 100 miles, and no check engine light has came back, so the problem has been resolved. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a like and share, and if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.